Oh, another mystery and area video. That's cool. I'm just doing the second half of this problem. We've already done the first half. So we've found all the answers that x could possibly be if y was 0. But what if it's not? What if y is a different number? What if y is -9? Then what happens? Well, we could still do the same kind of thing and see what happens. Play with this expression, find out what works out. We want to replace y with -9. So first we'll just copy the equation exactly as it is. Y equals x squared plus blah, blah, blah. And then we can replace x with -9. Sorry, I lied. We're replacing y with -9, aren't we? I lied. Y is being replaced with -9. X is what we want to figure out. So I guess we can't replace x with anything because we don't know what it is yet. But we can figure that out because we're clever kitties. I've got a quadratic here, but this side's not 0. So let's first make this side 0. To do that, I'll get rid of the -9. The -9 will move to the other side and it will turn into +9. There'll be nothing left here because the -9 is gone. It'll just be 0. This I can all just copy down, but that -9 turned into +9 over here. All right, cool. So I guess all this first part, maybe I'll copy down, but this we can figure out. -5 plus 9. It's the same as 9 minus 5, which is 4. So let's write it again, but just replace that part there with 4. That's simpler, isn't it? We've just simplified it. Okay. Well, we're about to play the same game of finding our magical numbers that we can put in here. We're looking for two numbers that have a sum of +4, but also a product of +4. Now, you may be able to think of these numbers in your head, but I'll go through the process anyway. Looking for two numbers that add to get 4 and multiply to get +4. So the way that I would tackle this is I'd start with +1. +1 times something gives me +4. Well, positive and positive is a positive. 1 times 4 is 4. So it has to be +4. And if I add these together, 1 plus 4 is 5. Oh, but that's not what I want. I want +4. Well, let's try the next one. We've tried 1, let's try 2. Positive times positive is a positive number. 2 times something gives me 4. 2 times 2. Yes, good. All right. And if I would, so that checks out for the product. And if I were to add these, 2 plus 2 is 4. And that is the sum that I'm looking for. Ah, that is awesome. That is awesome. So my two magical numbers are +2 and +2. So I can, yes, yay. So I can rewrite this part as x plus 2, x plus 2. Everything else, the therefore, the 0, and the equals, I just copy down. Yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there. The solution to this would be that x is -2. What's the solution to this part? Also that x is -2. They have the same solution, right? So the only possible solution is that x is -2. Now you might be thinking, hey, whoa, hold on, Mr. Neri. This one had 2 answers, and this one just has 1 answer? What's the deal with that? I feel like I've been ripped off. I only get 1 answer here, but here I get 2. How come sometimes there are two solutions, and sometimes just 1? Well, that is a good question, and I'm glad that you asked, dear viewer. Let's bring back that graph. Your graph! Come on down! Oh, there it is. Good. With my drawing all over it. This first one was a solution where it was on this curve, has to match this rule, this parabola, this blue one, this quadratic, but it also has to match y equals 0. And there were only 2 points that did that. That one there, and that one. But in the other one, y has to be -9. So it has to be on this purple line down here. And how many points are on the purple line that are also on the quadratic Just one. Just 1 point. So this, there's only one solution, but this, there's two. Isn't that neat? Maybe you don't care. That's cool. That's fine. It's not your job. I think it's interesting. But yeah, anyway, if you're wondering why we only get two solutions sometimes, or one solution here, that's why. Bye, everyone. Have fun.